Hey friends, if you wish to install a language pack on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. It's easy. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time and language tab on the list on the left hand side and then select language and region in the right pane. Now let us say that you need to add some language which is not in the list already. So click on add a language and then let's say that you wish to add Kuwaiti Arabic. So click on this. It displays what all elements of the language can be installed. For example, text to speech, speech recognition, and for handwriting. Click on next and then install. So there can be up to 5 elements here, which is language pack, text to speech, speak recognition, handwriting, and basic typing. So you cannot install all of them for each and every language, but whatever can be installed will be mentioned straight away. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.